Hello students, I am Somnath Pagar. I welcome you all in today's video. Students, today we are going to discuss electrical symbols. You know, electrical symbols are very useful, very helpful for any electrician or wireman or maybe electrical engineer. Whenever you have to select any meter or equipment or any installation, you have to refer to dial of the meter. You know, electrical symbols or specifications are mentioned or printed on the dial of the meter, and you have to refer to that symbols, and accordingly you have to select proper meter or proper equipment. And today we are going to discuss various electrical symbols printed on the dial of any meter. So let's proceed for today's video. By studying these symbols, you will be able to identify measuring instruments on the basis of its symbols on dial, type, accuracy, class, position and scale. You should always follow safe practices, practice good housekeeping and maintain tools and measuring instruments properly. You know, as per IS 2032 of 1969 has standardized certain symbols for different types of analog instruments used for electrical measurement purpose. These symbols are printed on the dial of the instruments. Information about meter can be obtained from these symbols. So let us see the symbols and description. Following table gives various symbols as per IS 2032 of 1969. Initially, we will see principal units. Kiloampere is shown using KA, volt ampere reactive is shown using VAR, ampere is shown using A, milliampere, MA, volt, V, hertz, HZ, megawatt, MW, ohm means resistance is shown using this symbol, watt W and Tesla T. So these are principal units. Now we will see type of supply for which apparatus is used. Direct current is shown using straight line. If supply is DC as well as AC, then such symbol is shown. If alternating current is there, then also the symbol is used. If supply is 3-phase AC, then such three symbols are drawn or used. In case of direct test voltage, if voltage is less than 500 volt, then 500 written in such star. If test voltage is above 500, for example 2 kV, then 2 kV is mentioned in such star symbol. Apparatus not to be subject for dielectric test. In that case, such symbol is shown on that apparatus. Now we will see reference position of use. If instrument to be used with the dial vertical, then such symbol is shown on the meter, and by referring to such symbols you can decide how to place this meter on surface. If instrument to be used with dial horizontal, then such symbol you will observe on the meter, and accordingly you can decide how to use such meter, such instrument. If instrument to be used with the dial inclined for particular angle from the horizontal plane, then such figure is drawn on the dial of the meter, and by looking at it you can decide how to place, how to keep this meter. Resistance continuously variable. In case of variable resistance, you will see such symbol is drawn. Resistance with moving contact variable continuously. In this case, you will see such symbols. Temperature dependent resistor. In this case, you will see such symbols with temperature mentioned. Series inductor. You will see such symbol for series inductor with L. Series impedance. You will see such symbol with Z. For electrostatic screening, you will see dotted circle, and for magnetic screening, you will see such circle. Earth terminal is shown using this symbol. Now we'll see indicating instrument. General symbol for indicating instrument will be shown using such circle. Instrument with pointer indicator are shown using such symbol with arrow. Instrument with digital indication is shown using such symbol. For voltmeter, which is shown in circle. For wattmeter, W is printed in circle. For multimeter, VA ohm is mentioned in circle. It means that multimeter can be used to measure voltage, current as well as resistance. Frequency meter is shown using this symbol. For spectrometer like this, cos pi is written in circle. For VAR meter, VAR is written in circle, and for ohm meter, symbol of ohm is given in circle. So students, these are some useful electrical symbols for student of electrical engineering branch, maybe diploma or engineering, maybe for electrician or wireman. These symbols are very useful for all of them. I will suggest you to watch this video 2-3 times so that all symbols you can learn truly. So students, in today's video we have learned electrical symbols used in electrical engineering. I know this video is useful for any electrical engineer, electrician or wireman, and this video is also useful for students of electrical engineering, maybe diploma or engineering. This video is also useful for electrician or wireman who are doing ITI. I request you to like, watch and share this video to your friends so that this video can be proved to be useful for your friends, for your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thank you.